Welcome! Today we'll show you how to use the MyRogers app to view your usage and manage your Rogers services. Let's go! First, you'll want to make sure you have the app installed on your device if you haven't done so already. Sign in using your MyRogers username and password. Haven't registered yet? Registration is quick and easy. Just check out our video on how to register a MyRogers profile. Once you're signed in, you're ready to use all of its great features. To start, you can check your wireless data usage to ensure you're covered for the rest of your bill cycle. It's also quick and easy to access your bill. You can check your current balance and review previous bills, and make a secure payment. You can make things even easier by setting up automatic payments right within the app. And keeping in touch with Rogers has never been simpler. With a seamless transition from the app to your browser, you can update your contact information on your Rogers account right from your mobile device. Plus, you'll receive the latest promotions and tips on how to manage your account right to your inbox. That's it! Now you know how the MyRogers app can help you stay on top of your usage and manage your services.